Okay, this is a model of the scapular region plus shoulder joint. Okay. We have in the dorsal surface, we have got the supraspinous fossa, in which we have the origin of the muscle, the supraspinatus. Below it, the spine, there is the infraspinous fossa, and this is the muscle that is called as the infraspinatus. Below the infraspinatus, from the lateral border, the muscle is getting origin, that is the teres minor. And then the below over here, this one, this impression is representing the teres major muscle. On the costal surface, we have got this muscle subscapularis, right? And now over the spinous process, we have got this muscle too. This is the origin of which muscle? This is the deltoid muscle, right?
So basically, this entire region.
Yes, coming from the inferior lip of the the spine, and then the lateral margin of the acromion process, and the posterior 1/3 of the anterior border का जो है ना lateral 1/3, right?
This is entire deltoid.
This is entire origin of the deltoid, right? Similarly, likewise in the upper lip of the spine, the medial margin of acromion and the posterior border we have got the insertion of the trapezius muscle.
Yeah. So in the inner part, the trapezius is inserting, and in the outer part, the deltoid is originating.
Right? Okay. Now over here you can see these three ligaments. The one on the medial aspect is the conoid ligament.
Okay.
The other one on the lateral aspect, that is the trapezoid ligament. The one between the acromion process and this one is the coracoid process, the coracoacromial ligament, which is basically forming the coracoacromial arch.
So if I look at it like this, this is the
coracoacromial arch basically, which is has the three things: the acromion process, coracoid process, and the coracoacromial ligament.
What are these two
Yes,
attachments?
at the tip of the coracoid process, the medial one, the lateral one is from the short head of the biceps, and the medial one, that is the coracobrachialis muscle. Okay, the muscle you have. Over here you can see this tendon coming out, that is the intrascapular tendon. This is a tendon of the long head of the biceps is coming from the कहाँ से आता है ये? Supra?
Glenoid tubercle of scapula.
Right? Now, over here you can see the lateral aspect of this humerus. This is representing the insertion of the deltoid muscle. Okay?
This is the deltoid tuberosity.
जी. Okay, now let's say deltoid tuberosity. Okay, then we have got the three impressions of these three insertions. No? This is basically
lady between two majors.
Yes, this is the medial one is कौन सा जी? That would be the teres major.
Teres major.
Then the dismus dorsi and the
pectoralis major. Basically, lady between two majors.
ठीक है, ये हो गया.
And this is the SITS, the SITS, the three facets of the greater tubercle of humerus. Supraspinatus, upper impression is for the
supraspinatus, middle one is the infraspinatus, and the lower one is the teres minor.
And then on the lesser tubercle is the subscapularis.
Subscapularis. ठीक है, ये हो गया. बस सारे हो गए जी. Okay, over you can see this one, this blue impression over there.
Yes.
That is the medial border and the superior surface of the coracoid process. That is the pectoralis minor.
Pectoralis minor.
This is the insertion of the pectoralis minor. ठीक है. Okay, on the scapular surface over here you can see this long insertion.
Yes.
On the costal surface of the that is the medial border. यहाँ पे this is the serratus anterior.
Serratus anterior.
ठीक है जी.
Serratus anterior was supplied by the
long thrust.
and उसकी इंजरी से हो रहा था winging of scapula.
Winging of scapula. Okay, medial border के जो dorsal aspect है, उस पे we have got the three muscles insertions from the superior angle.
This is the medial border of the
medial border of the scapula, dorsal aspect.
Dorsal aspect.
ठीक है. From the superior angle to the spine, there is insertion of the levator scapulae.
So this is the insertion of the levator scapulae.
And then in front of this triangular area of the spine, this is the insertion of the rhomboid minor.
Rhomboid minor.
And then below over here, from the spine to the inferior border, that is a rhomboid major.
Rhomboid major.
Okay. That's it. Complete over.
We will come to clavicle now.
Yes, clavicle, the interior border of the medial two-third, giving origin to the pectoralis major, right?
Yes.
The lateral 1/3 is giving origin to the deltoid. We have talked about it earlier. And then this is the superior surface for the sternocleidomastoid muscle.
Yes.
And then the posterior surface below there, that's the omohyoid muscle.
Omohyoid. So this is the omohyoid.
Yes.
And this is the
The
sternocleidomastoid.
mastoid.
Okay.
And this is the pectoralis major.
Pec major. Okay. So basically this is pec major, and here there was a blue part that was the pec minor.
Yes, this one. The insertion of the
This
that
is the pec
the
minor.
medial border and the superior surface of the
Pec minor.
coracoid process. That is pectoralis major.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Shahid.
Okay.